Tables are used to display the structured data in the form of row and column. So Bootstrap provides different classes to work with the table type. We have class table dash responsive, table dash stripe, table dash condensed, table dash hover. So these classes provides different effects to the table. Class table will define a basic layout of the table. It defines its cell and columns and provide a border around the table. Class table responsive will make the table as responsive for different device sizes. Table striped class make the different background color of alternate rows so it seems like stripes. Class table condensed will reduce the height of rows and make the table as dense. Class table hover will change the background color of hovered row. So let's implement these classes in our demo project. So here I am on project responsive website demo in home.html. So inside the container section we have different articles. So inside the second article, let's add our table element below the panel body. So here I have pasted a code for the table. So this table code consists of the 2 columns and we have 5 rows. So let's add class table and class table responsive on the table element. So let's save the changes and refresh our page. So here we can see that we have table inside the second article and below the panel body. So let's make use of some other table classes that we have discussed earlier. So let's add class table striped. So now we can see that the alternate rows are displayed in the different background color. Let's also add a class table condensed. So this class will reduce the height of the rows and table seems like dense as compared to earlier. So now let's add class table hover. So let's save the change and refresh the page. So now we can see on hover of rows we have hover effect. So now let's make our main header row with the different color. So here on the header row let's add a class success. So it will make the green color background. So now let's resize the browser window. We can see that we have a responsive table for different device sizes. So we have added class table, table responsive, table stripe, table condensed and table hover class on the table element.